Hey there, students. I want to show you how to find the mean and the standard deviation when you are working with a probability distribution. So I've pulled up problem 6 here on our homework set from chapter 5. It says, refer to the accompanying table, which describes the results from groups of 8 births from 8 different sets of parents. The random variable x represents the number of girls among 8 children. Find the mean and standard deviation for the number of girls in 8 births. So there's a table here for us to see the data. And you'll see that what they're giving us is the probability distribution. Here are the possible outputs for the random variable, anything from 0 to 8. And here's the probability of each of those occurrences. So if I click on the little icon here, I can open this in StatCrunch. And when I've moved the probability distribution into StatCrunch, we can then find the mean and the standard deviation. So to do that, we use the Stat tab. And even though the mean and standard deviation are summary stats, we don't have a summary stats option that makes sense for probability distributions. Instead, we're going to go to calculators. And we're going to bring up a calculator to help us do calculations. And it's going to show us the mean and the standard deviation. But because we have all of this distribution information to enter directly, we need to go down to Custom. So again, I'm going to Stat, Calculators, Custom. And then I need to tell the custom calculator which column has the random variable values, which is the number of girls, and which column has the weights, which is the probabilities. So the values are in the number of girls column in this case, and the weights are in the P of X column, and then I hit compute. And this is what the calculator looks like. It automatically shows us the probability for each of the outputs listed from 0 to 8. And you can put in settings like what is the probability for the x variable to be less than or equal to 4, which they've highlighted in red here, in which the calculator has combined these together to get a total probability for the output of the variable being in this range. But for this problem, we just want to know the mean and the standard deviation, and they're both listed right here in the calculator. So to put the mean to 1 decimal place, looks like 4.0, and I would enter that in. And then they ask for the standard deviation, also to 1 decimal. Looks like it's 1.3, but 3 is followed by an 8, so I would round that up to 1.4. So that's a nice quick way to get the mean and standard deviation for a probability distribution in StatCrunch. Keep up the hard work.